morning, ka-blessed! Ngayon lang tayo ulit nagbukas ng ating YouTube vlog.
Bye-bye, poo-poo.
We're heading to Margaret River kasi bibili tayo ng airport o emu outfit ni Moana. Ayan. Andito na tayo ngayon sa REC.
Remember, I went to the camping last
Yes,
night?
naalala niya. Anong last night?
Camping here.
Yeah, and there's rich
Yes, o diba? Yes, o basketball there.
What?
REC campsite. Not so many. O diba? Diyan tayo dati. So, dito yung airport na suotin ni Moana kasi nga ang biyahe natin is gabi. Kaya may kalamigan, ka-blessed. Isa lang talaga ang una. Kasi kung next time pa kami bibili, wala nang pahinga itong isa. So we need to do that this week. And then bukas si Daddy back to work again. So yun ang palatandaan natin. Pag next time na uwi niya, Philippine time na. It's travel time na. So see you again later mga ka-blessed. Pag nandun tayo sa Margaret River. I hope na mabuo ko yung vlog natin ngayon. Kasi I hardly do vlogging. Ewan ko ba? Tatamad tayo ka-blessed. Okay then. See you later. Then ngayon ay init-init as in.
Was quiet.
Yeah. Was quiet and then. Are you pretty? No? So humble. Are you pretty? No? How about Daddy? Daddy Pogi? Oh, Pogi. See? Daddy is Pogi. And Moana is pretty? Guapa? No guapa?
Gunga.
Guapa.
No gunga.
Maganda.
No gunga.
Oh, gunga. What is gunga? Yan ang view natin mga ka-blessed. O diba? Ang ganda ng araw. We are now here at Margaret
What's
River.
that?
So the Venice is here.
We did try here.
No, wait, we went there. Remember? We went here.
Yes, we went here. Remember?
Yes.
Yes.
And we walking past.
Yes.
And we walking. And then we shopping.
Yes. We do shopping here.
Yeah. Well, not like a swing, so back to high. I like the two go to swing higher.
Cotton on.
Because I can't swim in my pillow. Remember we went eating?
Yeah. We do eating.
Let's go eat.
Now let's go parking.
Let's eat. Why don't here?
Yeah, some cheap.
Dad,
Recorded.
that's here. Dad, you're tricking me.
Hey ka-blessed! Andito na tayo sa aming suki. Diyan sa kebab shop. Ayan. Dito kami lagi kumakain ng tanghalian. Bago kami uwi, nakain na kami dito. So, naka-order na ako. Ay, ang bango pala. Akala ko mabaho. Nag-testing kasi ako ng pabango doon. How come? We are here now at Margaret River. Kaupo kami dito. We are waiting for daddy. Bumili kasi kami ng tissue. Nilagay niya doon sa car muna. What are you looking at? You want the...
One. Yay! Thank you, Mommy.
Where is your sunnies? Don't forget
Here.
to put it here. In your shirt.
No, that will be doing.
Ito kami dati nagkape. Ayan. Sana may makita tayong ano ni Moana. Pang outfit mo. Daddy is here, Moana. Ah, it's back again. My goodness.
Moana.
Ayan nga ang ating tanghalian. Meat box. Kebab with chips. Are you good?
Not hot.
I'm back, God blessed. We are now heading to Augusta. Abitziansya. Mag-retriever, tapos na tayo doon. Ang dami na natin pinuntahan. Pero pa wala akong vlog sa mga pinuntahan namin. Pumunta kami ng Cotton On, Priceline. Ano yan siya, pang pharmacy. And kumain kami sa Mizuki na kebab. Pumunta kami ng Red Cross. Nabili ako dun. Kumuha na saka sa akin. And then ang last stop namin sa Venice. So may nabili rin ako dun. So ngayon punta tayong Augusta bago tayo uuwi. Diba? James Bond. Yung anak ni James Bond. I will Smith, ay di pala. James Bond. Moana is accident prone today. Nakatatlo siya. My God. Ano ba yan?
Chips here, I think. This was the piece of chips.
We are here now, mga ka-blessed, sa Augusta.
Boy, that's screaming.
Yay!
Oh,
Nalimutan ko mag-vlog, mag-open ng camera. Na-overwhelm.
what is that, Mom?
Yeah, we're going beach. See, we have a
How
nice...
you say it?
How do I say it?
How you say that you know to the bit? What are you talking about the bit?
Yeah, we're talking about the beach because I'm vlogging. So I just wanna say the ka-blessed.
Yes, the kids.
That we're going beach.
Where here?
Ready for sale. Oh, it's ano, apartment. Oh yeah.
Then you were there at the water on the inlet. Yes.
Wow. We are here na ka-blessed.
Oh, Dad.
Wow, look at that.
I'm
See?
gonna swing the smaller one.
Oh,
How's the boat here?
yeah. Yes.
Uh-oh.
It's a fishing day.
People missing the boat. The boat. Remember? I can't climb.
Now you can climb here in the trees. Look, see? Oh, somebody in here. Towel. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Don't forget to wash your hands, huh? Oh, diba ang ganda ng view? As in, ang lapit lang sa dagat. Oh, you can sleep. Sit. Like that. Lay. Wow.
Dad.
Good night, Daddy.
No, I'm not Daddy.
Oh.
This is Daddy.
Masus ka dyan. Palamig muna tayo ice cream. Look at my... It's so windy. Grabe. Ice cream muna kami ngayon. Then mamaya, baka kami lumabas mag-order ng kape. Take away kape. Then driving home na.
Too many seats.
This seat is for black people.
Big family.
Yeah.
And we have a discussion yesterday. When I was sitting outside, when you go for dinner.
I never get bored with her.
I don't know where it started. Probably from the two boys. I guess.
Lumig yung sabi ni Moana. Yung malaking lamesa para dun sa mga itom na mga tao. Sarap. Vanilla flavor.
How do you say yeah?
Ang talking to my vlog. You wanna join my vlog?
We had it when I was a little kid. Camping. So it was just little garden. When I was that small.
This is not a spoon. It doesn't hold the spoon.
Used as a spoon.
If
It was just the CEO was Andrew Carmel, and the Jim for the pub, CEO, and it was just a quick catch up to see what's going on. They said there's a pathway. You
A good dessert.
Dad, remember the whole slide?
A good dessert.
Right, always
like that they are to answer the questions. So they're hoping
See that?
that they'll get thinking of president
Daddy?
why.
Red Cross shop. Here, the signage. In front, inside.
And
Oh, yeah, it's just behind the.
the only concern is then it's very period where people can appeal this to the general public.
Pointing there.
And if that has to do it in July by a few months. And he said.
So that op shop, all the community here, they put their stuff there.
The very serious.
It's like in Manji. Last time, not old lady, but she put her stuff there. Up to me.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
Daddy too.
Wow. Juana is the first.
Yeah, I'm a winner.
Hmm.
Yeah, Mama is the winner.
And he,
You are the winner.
and he's so quick.
Hmm.
And then Daddy is second.
Wow.
Am I second?
Let's move again. Ito na yung kape natin na in-order. Take away coffee. Cappuccino. So, uwian na.
Dad,
Tapos na ang maligayang araw
Mom!
namin.
Mom, can we go to home?
Yes, I'll be going
Now
home.
we go home.
So, update tayo mga ka-blessed. Ang bata natin is tulog na. Finally, nakatulog. Ngayon, we are going to Pemberton na. Yay. Maybe an hour pa, no? So, darating tayo dun mga past 5. Ganyan. So, see you there again, mga ka-blessed. Bye na pala kami ka-blessed. At ito yung mga nabili natin. Look.
I'm up in the chocolate.
Diba? Girly-girly lang. Ang girly-girly lang natin. Wala lang. $5 lang yan. So, not bad. Uy! Uy! O, diba? Hindi, ganito yan sa kapis. Yan. Oh, good. Meron tayong susuotin sa Pasko. Yan, ipapasko natin.
Mommy, open the chocolate. Want to open the chocolate?
Oh, yeah. Diba? Taray natin. Ganyan lang siya. May ganito sexy. Diba? Kakatuwa. Nagkatuwaan lang eh. Ito. Napili ito ni Amang. Ayan. Jacket siya. Jacket lang. Ito na din. Alot eh. Siguro pwede lang liitan. Para hindi masyado maluwag. Kaluhan pa natin. Adyasan. Para sumikip lang. And then, na nabili kay Moana is leggings. Ayan. Ay, naku. You can stand there, oh. See? You don't need to stand in front of me. Kaloka ito. Ayan. Tsaka ito. Ayan. Tsaka itong plain. Tsaka shorts. Dalawang shorts. Suot na niya ang isa kasi nga dumaan tayo sa dagat. I told you, you can stand there. See? Oh, you can still see yourself. You don't need to stand in front of me. Then I can see what I'm doing. I show them, oh, what we bought. Kaloka naman ikaw. It's okay if you stand in front of me. If you talk, then you explain. Just like you're annoying only. $5.
Daddy, and this made a poop.
Yeah, that's why we want to go there. And then we don't have it.
Dad, no one's opening my chocolate. And no one's opening my chocolate.
No.
No?
It's good.
It's good. I'm going to wear this on Christmas Day. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Quiet, quiet. Wow.
Look at the bikini. Bikini.
Yeah.
Dad, the kangaroo is so stronger.
Luto tayo ng sausage sa blessed. Ayan, ito yung hapunan natin. Hapunan ng mga gutom. Madalian lang. Madali ang luto lang. This one, magkakasting naman tayo. Nahugasin pa ako. Isang araw pa yan. Hinugasan ko pala yung mga blackberry. Ayan. So, good night mga ka-blessed. Salamat sa panonood ng ating vlog. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.